Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my previous video, we were watching how the price line of Stellar was breaking down every support, one after another, and it was testing 18-cent support level. Right now, it is still being traded above 18-cent support, and in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a powerful reversal move from here to the upside, or we are going to break down the support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's move to this weekly time frame, and here we were watching that the price line is testing it was testing the 18-cent support. Even in the previous week, it has tested this support, and in the current week as well, it has tested it. This 18-cent support. We had a spike up to 17.24, but it is recovered back, and at the same time it was also testing the 200 weekly simple moving average, and you can see that it is still holding this support, and this is a really very strong support on the weekly time frame. Now if we take a look at the stochastic is again entered the oversold zone, and this is the second dip in the oversold zone. Before that, we can see we entered the oversold zone here on this candlestick that was started on 6th of December, and it was moved up on this candlestick that was started on 20th of December on the weekly time frame. Right now we are again dipped down inside this oversold zone. Before that, we entered the oversold zone here at the end of May 2021 when we had very big drop, and the price line recovered back, and this was a very big move from this low to this high. We had more than 120% rally, and again we moved down. Now here we have a very strong key resistance at 43.5 cents, and you can see that the price line is not able to break out this resistance even after several attempts. So for any big move, like for thousands of percent, if we are waiting for that move, we need to break out first this key resistance, and we need approximately even more than 100% move from this low to this high, because right now we are being traded approximately at 20 cents, and this resistance is at approximately 44 cents. That will require more than 100% move. Then we can expect a very big rally after that, a long-term big move. However, this can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity. If we will be recovered back, then it is as I have already told you, that it can be more than a 100% move like it has been doing here and here as well. After breaking out this resistance at 18 cents, we had a very big move, even more than 100%, and this was more than 100% move. Now if we watch the oscillator again, then recently there is a bullish divergence appeared, like the price line formed this low, and the next low price line is forming lower than previous one. And if we take a look at the stochastic formed this low, and the next low is forming higher than previous one. So there is a bullish divergence appeared. So there is a possibility that we will have a price reversal. And there is another aspect that I could not share in my last video with you, and that is that we are having another downtrend line support right now, and the price line is testing that support as well. If we connect all these candlesticks which are coming from here and also these candlesticks, then we can see that we are moving inside a down channel, or you can also form it as a falling wedge. I'm just expecting that it is a down channel, because we have more confluence points and more touch points as a down channel. And if I switch to the daily time frame, then it will be more visible how we are moving inside this channel. We have bounce here, we have rejection here, then we again bounced from here, and here we have several touch points. Again we moved up, then we again had some rejections here, and we again moved down. Right now we are having some accumulation, and now it is possible that after testing the support of the channel and also the support of 18 cents, now it will move up to this resistance that is approximately at 24 cents. And if it will be able to break it out, then it can reach to the next resistance, that is approximately 28 cents. That is a very, very strong resistance. Then we have also this 200 daily simple moving average resistance, approximately at 32 cents. After that, it can reach here the final resistance of 43.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.